Hey everyone, welcome to Easy WordPress tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to install your brand new WordPress website in Siteground. Siteground has recently launched this new dashboard which is quite easy to work with as compared to old cpanel. I just want to know whether you like it or not. Please let me know in the comments below. So without wasting more time, let's get started to the tutorial. To install new website, click on website and then new website. Here you can see my other website that is hosted in the same account, and here you have to select existing domain and you have to type your domain name. So for me it's cosmosdigest.com, and then click on continue, click on continue again. Here you have to select start a new website and select WordPress, and in installation detail you have to type your email address and password that you want to log into your WordPress account. So it's better if you make a note of it and keep it somewhere safe, because you're gonna need that every time when you want to log into your WordPress account. So after giving email address and password, you can click on continue and then click on finish. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to set up your website. After setting it up, it will give you 2 name servers that you have to point to your domain name service provider dashboard. I'm using GoDaddy as my domain name service provider, and I'm already logged into my GoDaddy dashboard. You can see here I'm logged into my GoDaddy dashboard. So now you have to click on DNS and then click on change, and you have to copy and paste those 2 name servers individually to GoDaddy name server section here. After copying the name servers, you can click on save, and you can refresh the page just to make sure whether the name servers are updated or not. You can see here it's already updated, and you're all set. Now you can log into your WordPress dashboard by opening any browser and then type your website name /wp-admin. So for me it's cosmosdigest.com/wp-admin. Here you have to type your email address and password that you have used while installing WordPress in your Siteground hosting. So for me it's cosmosdigest@gmail.com and my password. And then click on login. So what Siteground does is, when you install any WordPress website in Siteground, Siteground will by default install this WordPress starter plugin in your website. So for now you can just click on exit, here comes your dashboard. So this is the WordPress dashboard and also the backend of your website. You can add posts, you can add media, images, video to your website. You can even add pages to your website, and whatever changes you made here will reflect in your front end of the website. So now click on plugins and click on deactivate, and I'm gonna delete this WordPress starter plugin because I don't want this one. So you can see it's very easy to install WordPress in your Siteground. If you like the content, please let me know in the comments below so that I can make some more content to help you guys, and please share and subscribe the channel if you like, and give the thumbs ups.